Imagine this. You walk into your classroom and everything's changed. New teacher, new desks, new books. At first you're confused, maybe even a little scared, but soon you learn, adjust, and everything feels normal again. This is what change management is all about, helping people deal with change in the smoothest way possible. What is change management? Definition. Change management is the process of helping individuals, teams, or organizations transition from the current state to a desired future state smoothly and successfully. In simple words, change happens, and change management helps people get used to it without stress or confusion. Famous quote, "The only thing constant in life is change," Heraclitus. So instead of fearing change, smart people manage it. Why change management is important in business. Companies need to change to grow. New products, new technology, or new ways of working. Let's say a company uses old computers. Then they decide to switch to new software. At first, employees are confused. Some feel frustrated, others are worried. That's where change management steps in. Trainers teach the new system. Managers support the team. People adjust over time. Without change management, companies can lose time, money, and happy employees. The 3 steps of change management. One popular model is by Lewin. It has 3 simple steps. Unfreeze, prepare people for change. Tell them what's coming and why. Example, hey team, we're getting new computers next month. Change, start the change. Support everyone during the new process. Example, install the new system, give training. Refreeze, make the new way the normal way. Celebrate success. Example, everyone's using the new computers confidently. It's just like melting ice, reshaping it and freezing it again. Real life example, a kid can relate to. Imagine your school switches from paper homework to online homework. At first, you and your friends don't know how to log in. You're confused. Some miss homework, but then your teacher explains it, helps you practice, and soon, everyone is submitting homework online, even faster than before. That's change management in real life, even for students. Change can be scary, but with the right plan, it becomes a chance to grow, whether it's a new system at work or a new way to study. Change management is the superhero that helps everyone move forward confidently. Remember, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. George Bernard Shaw. Like this video if you've ever faced a change at school or work. Share in the comments how you handled it. Subscribe for more bite-sized business lessons.